Even in a market where sellers have the advantage, not all home repairs and renovations pay off. Some updates can help your home sell faster, but if you're not careful, they can also eat into your bottom line. So, how do you know which projects will boost your sales price and which ones might not be worth the investment? Let's break it down. Working with a real estate professional gives you a significant advantage when preparing to sell. An experienced agent can help you identify which updates will actually increase your home's value and which ones might look impressive but won't improve your return. So here's what the numbers tell us about return on investment in 2025. Garage door replacement tops the list with an incredible 194% return. Steel door replacement follows closely at 188% ROI, and adding manufactured stone veneer delivers 153% ROI. But what about the projects that don't pay off? Major kitchen remodels and high-end renovations might make your home more appealing, but they rarely recoup their full cost. Luxury bathroom upgrades look beautiful, but typically return only about 74% of what you spend. Extensive landscaping might wow buyers initially, but won't significantly impact your home's resale value. While these projects may help your home sell faster, they can also cut into your profits. The key is balancing appeal with profitability. Working with a real estate professional gives you a significant advantage when preparing to sell. An experienced agent can help you identify which updates will actually increase your home's value and which ones might look impressive but won't improve your return. The right home updates can mean a faster, more profitable sale. With more homes for sale and buyers becoming increasingly selective, making strategic improvements before listing isn't just helpful, it's essential. If you're thinking about selling, let's talk. A little strategy now can mean thousands in your pocket at closing. Want a free consultation? Scan the QR code, visit bit.ly-CMA for Reno, or call or text our client relations team at 301-246-0102 to schedule a consultation today.